Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to insert a contacts building block table in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position on your page where you want to insert your contact directory table. Type the @ symbol on your keyboard to open the Smart Insert drop-down menu layout. Scroll down to the Building Blocks section or type @contact or @people into the search bar. Click directly on Contact Directory or your chosen contact table option from the drop-down results list. Google Docs will instantly insert a structured directory table equipped with pre-formatted columns for name, role, email, phone number, and notes. Click inside the name cells and type the @ symbol followed by a colleague's name to insert interactive contact smart chips that display live profile details upon hovering. Fill in the role, email, and phone number fields to maintain an organized team or client directory directly within your document. Right-click inside any row or column to add or remove cells to customize your contact fields as needed. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.